It's time now for a Peter Channel Blizzard of 2015 10 a.m. update. Good morning, everybody. I'm Peter Wiggins. It's 10 a.m. and here are the latest. Here at 10 a.m. here, statewide travel ban right now for non-essential people. Here, it was started at midnight by Governor Charlie Baker. Whiteout conditions around the state and around the region here. State of emergency for Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. Amtrak suspended all Excel and regional service from Boston to New York, and the 90 Eastern from Boston to Portland, Maine, and Brunswick, Maine. MTA service suspended for the day. Here, no bus, no commuter rail, no subway. Logan Airport, no flights today. Airport's still open. It closed at 7 p.m. last night, and service will resume on Wednesday. TF Green Airport closed at 5:30 last night. No flights. Most regional transit authorities around the region have been suspended, so if you want to take a bus, no bus service for the day here. And bands of snow expected to be winding down for midnight, mid-late afternoon to this evening, and wind chill below 0 to single digits. And looking at the power outage so far here, 13,327 customers in the dark so far at 10 a.m. Most of them National Grid customers have 13,327 customers in the dark. Most of them out of Nantucket here, where a lot of people have no power here. And for N-Star, last time at 8 a.m. I reported 81 and 93 customers in the dark without power. And now, and now, 20,093 customers in the dark with no power here for N-Star customers here. So, 33,000 people around the Bay State with no power here. And wind gusts so far, 29 miles per hour out of Boston, 31 miles per hour for Taunton, 25 miles per hour for New Bedford, 45 miles per hour so far for Marshfield, 55 for Provincetown, Falmouth, 54 miles per hour, Chatham, 49 miles per hour, and Martha's Vineyard, 58 miles per hour, Providence, 31 miles per hour, Wesley, 35 miles per hour, Portsmouth, New Hampshire, 61 miles per hour, Western Massachusetts, 43 miles per hour, and Portland, Maine, 38 miles per hour, as this is the current wind gust. And Shrewsbury's got 26.5 inches so far. Worcester's got 25. Same goes for Berlin, Massachusetts. Meditech, New York, 24.8 inches. Norwell's got 21 inches. Littleton, Massachusetts, 23.5 inches. And Natick, 17 inches. And expecting 2 feet of snow for eastern Massachusetts and in Worcester County here. And northern Rhode Island here. And extreme northeastern Connecticut. Take a look at the traffic situation. A statewide travel ban around the state at midnight here. We're seeing a few rollovers here. A rollover here. In Mansfield, vehicles spun out of Route 95 southbound and exit 6, Route 485. In Randolph, a vehicle spun out on Route 24 northbound before Route 139 and exit 20. Bellingham accident, left lane blocking 495 southbound and exit 19 on Route 109 in Milford. Hopkinton, a vehicle spun out of Route 495 northbound before exit 21 on West Main Street and Hopkinton here. And you got a Shrewsbury vehicle spun out of Route 290 westbound after exit 23, Route 140. Wellesley vehicle spun out of Route 9 eastbound at Route 128. Marlborough vehicle spun out of Route 290 westbound before exit 25, Solomon Pond Road. Hopkinton, a vehicle spun out of Route 495 northbound before exit 21 in Hopkinton here. And ran an accident at Route 128 northbound and exit 37 at Route 93 here. So if you want to venture out in the storm, no way, because it is still nasty outside. So ride the storm in the comforts of your own home. Okay? Alright? Current conditions here in North Massachusetts as of 10 o'clock. It's up to 20 degrees with overcast for days and the humidity 81%. Wind speed north for about 17 and gusting to 33 miles per hour. Barometer 20.44 inches, dew for about 15 degrees. Visibility 3/4 of a mile and a wind chill about 5 degrees above zero here. And current conditions around the region here: 15 in Boston, 15 for Worcester, 18 for Taunton, 18 in New Bedford. It's 27 in Plymouth, 27 out in Provincetown, 28 in Chatham, 25 in Falmouth, 24 in Martha's Vineyard, 16 in Providence, 19 in Westlake, 18 in Hartford, 21 in Waven. It's 23 in New York City, 13 out in Albany, New York. It's 10 above in Pittsfield, 9 above in North Adams, 6 in Barrington, 13 in Brattleboro, 7 in Rutland, 12 in Lebanon, New Hampshire, 14 in Keene, Jeff, New Hampshire, 18 in Laconia, New Hampshire, 16 in Concord, New Hampshire, 15 in Manchester and Nashville, New Hampshire, 15 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and 12 above in Portland, Maine. Okay. I'll look at your forecast here as at 10 a.m. You said it. Snow with areas of blown snow, areas of fog afternoon, areas of fog, freezing fog before noontime. High near 19 degrees and wind chill values as low as 4 below. Bless you with a north with about 22 to 25 miles per gust as high as 40 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 100%. Total daytime snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches possible. Tonight, snow likely remain before 11 p.m. Patchy fog before 9 p.m. Otherwise, cloud sky low around 11 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 2 below. Bless you with a northwest wind around 11 to 20 miles per gust as high as 43 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 70%. New snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches possible. Wednesday, cloud skies are gradually becoming mostly sun sky with a high near 23 degrees. Wet and chill values as low as 3 below. Northwest wind about 8 to 10 miles per gust high as 20 miles per hour. For Wednesday night, mostly clear sky low around 7 degrees. Northwest wind about 5 to 8 miles coming in the evening. Thursday, mostly sun sky about 30 degrees. Light and variable wind. For that, snow likely mainly after 4 a.m. Patchy fog after midnight. Otherwise, cloud sky will low around 21 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 6%. Friday, snow likely mainly before 9 a.m. and patchy fog before 8 a.m. Otherwise, most cloud sky with a high near 34 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 6%. Friday, patchy fog between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. Otherwise, most cloud sky with a low around 5 degrees. For Saturday, most sunny cloud sky about 21, low about 8 degrees. For Sunday, part sunny sky high about 23 degrees. Saturday night, a chance of snow, most cloud sky with a low around 7 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. And for Monday, part sunny sky about 21 degrees. Viewers, you have a good day and stay safe, and I'll see you for a noontime report. Have a good day.